Hello everyone, welcome to Oxford Spoken English Institute Amravati. Today we have with us Raksha, an MBBS student. She joined our classes for personality development, and today let me introduce first her. So Raksha, how are you?
Thank you, Snail. I am very good. How are you?
I am good. So, today we will talk about her journey, experiences, and how the course is helpful for her. So, my first question to her is: can you tell me why you decided to join personality development courses at Oxford English Institute?
The reason behind is that I was not a confident girl. I was not comfortable in my own skin. And I used to feel that there's a void in myself which I need to fulfill in a very positive way so that I can attain the higher version of myself. So that is why when I Googled, I found this institute and I saw the ratings. It was 4.9. So it was never a doubt to take an admission here. So I decided to be here and uh, achieve the best of myself, which I did.
That's wonderful. So, how the courses real impact on you both personally and academically?
From the personally view, I can say that I have been observing some changes, like from the day-to-day life. I have been able to talk to the strangers, like in the shops or like taking an appointment. I used to feel a bit shy, doing these things before. So I can see a improve, improvement in myself. I think I am becoming the confident person, which I have always dreamt of.
Okay, that sounds like a real impact on your English. So, can you share any specific experience about your journey or while doing your classes?
Um, the small, like as of now, I don't have a very big thing to like share because I have not been to my college. I'm sure after going to college, I will have many stories to share it with you. But like because I'm now here, the one thing which I observed that when I'm going to buy things to a shop or when I'm asking anyone like for the help, I have seen a difference in myself. The way I present myself, the way I talk to them, the way I speak, and the way they perceive me. I think it has been changed. And more specifically, I don't know about how the others are perceiving me, but I can feel the difference in how I am taking myself and how I am seeing myself in the mirror, like every morning. That is the thing I observe.
Oh, that's so inspiring for us. So thank you, Raksha, for telling us the your journey, your experiences. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Snehal. It's so nice of you to say that.
So, would you like to share any um, any incidents or experiences you have felt how the course has benefited you, where you felt the course has benefited you?
I shared it in the last one. The last question was that only, no?
Raksha, can you share any experience with us while you were in Uzbekistan?
Yeah, sure, Amit. I have a very good story to share it with you both. It was a time period of Ramzan, and Ramzan is a very big festival for Muslim people, as we are aware of it. So during that period, we thought to go to a tourist place named as Registan. It is in Samarkand, और वहाँ पे light show होता है. So we friends thought to go there, chill a bit. और the weekend भी था. So we went there, we saw the light show, and as usual, we thought to have a dinner that night. So we went to the restaurant, we had the pizza, we had the coke, we have desserts. And at the end, as usual, we asked the waiter to give us the bill. But to our unawareness, he came and said that your bill is already been paid.
Oh.
And we all friends were so shocked. We don't know how did this happen? Because why will someone do that? We asked him to be sure. He went to the counter and he came again. He said that, ma'am, your bill has been paid. You don't have to pay anything and you're free to go home. So we all were so happy that day. And after going home, we told everyone, my parents, my friends, and we shared it with everyone. So it was one of the experience. And what I learned from is that how generous and how gracious were those people. That and that person then came to us, like telling us, "Ki, I have paid your bill." So like so much gracious of him to not even take the credit for it. I felt those people are very generous and very kind. I really appreciate them for this.
It's really wonderful to know that there are many generous people in Uzbekistan as well. It's good. So, finally, how would you recommend other students who are considering joining this course, and even the people who are considering to enhance their personality? So, how will you
Yeah,
tell them?
I get your point. In today's world, the world is full of competitions. Lots of competitions actually. It starts from KG1, KG2.
Yeah.
इतने कंपटीशन के वर्ल्ड में जहाँ पे सबके पास इक्वल नॉलेज है, यू शुड हैव समथिंग ऑफ योर ओन, समथिंग विच विल सेपरेट द क्राउड एंड मेक यू विल स्टैंड अबव ऑल ऑफ इट. सो आई थिंक what I believe that personality is something which varies from person to person, and you have it as your own thing, and you should improve it. क्योंकि it is something which you carry your all life. It separates you from the crowd, and it helps you to be the apple of the people, like in their eyes. They will remember you if you are kind to them. They will remember you if you respect them. And what I learned the most of it was that it's not starts from how people perceive you. It starts from how you perceive yourself. When you get to know yourself more, when you know how to carry yourself in the society, and when you start to treat yourself with respect, at that time people will start treating you respectfully.
Yeah.
और एक गाना मैं शेयर करना चाहूंगी. एक 90s का गाना है, हिंदी गाना, जहाँ पे the lyrics have been very wonderful, and the lyricist have wrote like हमको मन की शक्ति देना, मन भी जय करे, दूसरों के जय से पहले खुद को जय करे.
Wow.
It means we should first know how to channelize our energy, how to treat yourself, and then it all will start from the home.
Right. That's so good to hear from you. Thank you.
So thank you so much, Raksha, for sharing your wonderful journey experiences with us. Wish you all the best for your future.
Thank you so much.
So thank you so much, and we are really proud to have been part.
It's my pleasure to be here.
So thank you so much.